Okay guys, Scott here. We're gonna go one more video on setting up OBS. I did it originally with something that came with StreamElements. Then I did something that came from Nerd or Die, which also applied to owned.tv. And now I'm gonna take you through the process of me actually going and redoing a part of my overlay. And so we're gonna be using GIMP, but if you have Photoshop or something similar to that, by all means. And then we're going to bring it into StreamElements and then bring it into OBS. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here we are in GIMP. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize making a new file, 1920 by 1080, with transparency as the fill. Click OK. And that's set to go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a gradient from this red color to this terracotta. Create it like so, which I like. Hit the X and OK. Now, in case you're wondering, why do I have these colors? I actually went through a website called coolers.co. And right here is my palette. You can see everything. You can see the numbers that are put in, so the burgundy, 6B0822, and on down the line. So now that I have that taken care of, go back into GIMP, and thus I'm set up. Now I'm going to create a new portion, and that's going to be filled again with transparency. Click OK, and this will just be a fill with the black that I like, the 010205. And now I'm going to select all and make a border. We will invert and delete. Oh, look at there. And bring it over. Okay, now I'm going to do another layer, another new portion. And now I'm going to fill this with my gray color. Awesome. Make a border. And now let's move this over. And now I'm going to scale this. And I'm going to scale this to 720. And now I'm going to move this because this is going to take up and become my new camera border. Time to crop. Rectangle. Actually, no. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to merge all these layers. That's all one layer. Now to come into here, hit delete, and that should. Wonderful. We're set up. Now, I want to take another idea from this, bring it in, and I'm going to scale it. Not that. Alright, well then we'll just create one more. Just to add a little bit of change to this. Just another clean outline. Scale. Let me verify this real quick. Going all the way in. 100%. That looks clean. I like it. Although I'm not too thrilled about this. I'm going to just bring this down slowly but surely. That's deleted. Check that. Check that. That's clean. Sweet. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get my logo. Bring you in. As such. And oh my god, you are large. Much better. Scale that in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually bring this up. I want to bring it up to here. Beautiful. And now I'm going to bring down the opacity to 35% opacity. Now that is basically going to be the new intermission screen. This will be the webcam area. Of course my logo, which I will also affix my new alert to. And then down here have, goals and the updated widget and things like that. Take care of and yep. Awesome. Okay, now we're now here in StreamElements. Create a blank overlay, and there's gonna be a 1080p. And we'll call this Smith Chat 25V25. Save it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image. Now, it says to set the image. Unfortunately, I don't have an image yet. I'm going to find where it is. There you are. Bring you in and hit upload. Hit submit. And there we go. 1920 by 1080. And now we're going to add another widget, and we're going to add the chat. Now, if you'll have it right there, just makes a lot of sense. So now what I want to do is I want to bring in some engagement or labels. I'm just going to make a chat box, and it's going to be my socials. W there, and then I'm going to put in another text box. And move it in. Okay, we're set up. Now I'm going to change the text from Nunito to, of course, open sans condensed, because that's what I utilize, and with a different color scheme. Going back to colors.co, I find that the RGB is 216 across the board. I'll go back in here and I will type in. There we go. Now I'm going to take the rotating feed, go to another overlay, 25v25, submit, beautiful, and hit edit. And hey, look at there, we're set up like that. But unfortunately, I need to change the accent color. I guess that's where this blue will really come into play. 02, 03, Delta. Not the best looking thing in the world. Might be better just to drop it down to, yeah, I think that'll be it. Just keep it at that. Keep it at that default. It brings the entire thing together. Now, from there, I can easily just set up everything as I need to. I'm going to set up some alert boxes. And actually, I'm going to bring in ones I already have. I'm going to bring them in from the other chat one that I already have. Look at it. I want to duplicate this, and then I want to duplicate this. Awesome. This is my overlay, if I remember correctly. I'm right. Now let's emulate a follower. Ooh. Looky what I found. Bring that in. One more time. I like that. Okay, and now here we are in OBS. I'm going to go ahead and go into browser source. I've already done the input capture as here. Go my Go XLR, and this is going to be chat 2. That's incorrect. I'm going to put in a different browser source. And of course, 1920 by 1080. Let's go ahead and remove that. Much better. And now just time to get the cam in. I will go in to here, window capture device, and Elgato HD. Okay, and now that the camera has popped on, I'm going to modify this and resize it to the size that it needs to get down to. That's not it. You down, bring you in, recenter as you need, then drop it in. Okay, I'm now embedded into my overlay, and now everything else is just like in the past videos. I've gone ahead and modified this a little bit, have my subscriber goal, have my socials and everything in, as well as the rotating widget from Alpha Gaming, and I think that's going to be it for the night. I think that's it for everything. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, by all means, contact me or ask me on Twitch. I stream every Thursday and Saturday night. Link in the description down below. You can also find me on, well, you see the socials down there. And until next time, thank you for watching. I'm Scott Smith. I'm signing off.